Hi everybody, we are here today with our Transatlantic Townhall Project in the beautiful city of Atlanta in the United States. And I'm here with one of our participants, Lynn. Lynn, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Certainly. I am the Fulton County District Health Director, and I work about 15 minutes down the street from here.
Lynn, when we approach you and ask if you would like to participate in this transatlantic project, what were your thoughts?
Well, my first thought was surprise because I thought that now being in a local health department, I said, how did I rise to the level of being invited into an international discussion about future cities? And then the more I thought about it, the more it made sense, though, because of this is Atlanta, this is the Fulton County area, and we are representative of many of the things that affect many other cities, and so it made a little bit more sense to me.
So you're working on health issues, and your goal is also to make it more inclusive, more accessible, which must have been awfully difficult throughout the COVID pandemic here in Atlanta.
Absolutely, but it was a challenge that I think that we really rose to, because as has been noted by many people, or anyone who pays any attention, particularly the U.S. health system has a lot of health inequities already built into it, and the COVID pandemic just brought them to light. But there is something to be said for bringing something out into the light, because once you are aware of it and paying attention to it, you can do a lot to combat it. And so we did take advantage and are continuing to take advantage of things that came our way, such as funding, federal funding, attention, media attention, all that, to try and address some of these health inequities.
And is that something other cities can learn from the Atlanta example?
Absolutely. And I think that what's really great about this project is the fact that you are bringing in different cities from different continents even, and the fact that it's an opportunity to learn, because no one wants to reinvent the wheel. There's no reason to do that, and it's wasteful. You lose time, you lose money, and all that.
And is this something what cities can learn from each other?
Absolutely, and I think that's exactly what we should be doing, is learning from each other, taking advantage of what somebody else's hard work and to therefore make it a lot easier for everyone else to do it. So absolutely.
And are there any policies which you would like to highlight, where you would say that really worked well?
There's actually a lot, and some of them are actually really specific, I think, but there's a common thread through all of them, and one of them is that you need resources. So money helps. When having the government give you money to specifically address certain things is very good. But the other thing is, you'll never get anything off the ground unless you already have an infrastructure of being able to speak to your community and the people that you are that you're going to be working with. Because one thing that I've learned throughout my career is helicoptering into some place and just expecting people to do what you tell them or to do as you say doesn't work. So it's like building those community links are absolutely important. So I think building the links and having the money and the resources are what we all need.
Well, thank you so much being part of our project and spending so much time for us and sharing your wisdom. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was truly my pleasure. Thank you very much.